We're gonna dance with our polka dot bra. Good morning. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and we're going to work today. We're gonna continue to have the best week ever. Don't want it, but I don't have choices. Somebody was kind of sleeping on the couch like an old person at 9:52. There's this bird outside and it only makes noise at night. I don't want to go outside. I was gonna record it, but of course it's not making noise now. We're gonna play Wii because we're getting super out of shape. I was never in shape, but I was kind of getting there and I just threw it all away. So I'm going to attempt to play Just Dance for 20 minutes because 20 is better than nothing, and that's why I look like caca right now. I gotta find a hair thing and I need some fancy girl water. It looks frozen! So that makes it not smart. Nothing smart about frozen water. Why is my life so complicated? So complicated. Okay, this is better. This is better. We're gonna dance with our polka dot bra. Just dance, dance, dance. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I actually worked out for 40 minutes. Ooh, yeah. That's why I look all sweaty and nasty. And that's why my bra is showing. It's not like Just a Girl Atlanta vlog with outside boobage and bra straps. It's just how I roll. But good night. I will see y'all tomorrow. Does my hair look good pulled back? I feel like it makes my face look weird. I feel like I always need something, like some kind of decoration here. Anywho, good night. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.